morning! It is Tuesday, our last Tuesday. I'm gonna do that from now on. And it's time for the next stretch of our trip. So we are going to the Beara Peninsula today, and it's not super cold right now. The wind's not blowing too hard, but it is raining. So we'll
go ahead.
We'll see if we can actually, you know, film today or use the drone at all. But let's hope so. Yeah, I've got a few places that I want us to maybe go to, but honestly, the only thing that I have planned today is just to drive around, explore, and go see the blue house, which I will explain later. But yeah. Alright, so right now we're going down a country road. These are the kind of roads that are very rewarding in Ireland, but also very scary because they're basically one-way roads. And I've had to, on multiple occasions so far, put it in reverse and let somebody pass me. Hi! How's it going?
You gonna come over here and see us? You sure have pretty eyes. Yes, you do. Number 50055. Yeah, he's a sweet boy.
Please don't hurt my car. Hey, you.
Well, just run away from me. Hurt my feelings.
As Tim and Finn always says, all the good things are at the top. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the kind of thing that I came to Ireland for. These wild, rugged landscapes and the stone circles and the sheep. It's absolutely beautiful and wild and magical, and man, I really enjoy this place. This is gorgeous. I'll put the name of the place down below. But definitely come check this place out. God, it's gorgeous. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. But we have a lot to see today, so let's keep going. Look at this view one last time. May I cross the road? Is there a toll? Is there a toll I need to pay?
Trip. Who's that across my bridge? It's me, Billy Gaga.
You know there's sheep, right? No. Alright, Mom, can you go get the door or the gate for us, please? Our lunch in our car. Was it good?
It was good.
We don't have any paper plates or anything like that, so it was a little difficult. But we are down on the coast of the Beara Peninsula right now. You know, it's really, really not a bad place to eat your lunch, right? Just gorgeous. What have you thought about the road so far?
Okay, turn the camera on.
But for real, what do you? Let me rephrase. How have you felt about the drive and like what we've seen and everything today?
The drive has been beautiful. Absolute spectacular views. The drive was stressful, to say the least. Especially when we met a car. Then we had to pull over, or they had to pull over, and it was very, very tight. Maybe this will be the last time I ever have to go on these types of roads.
We'll see about that. No? Not really sure, huh?
Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye. This is our room tonight in Alejes. That's our view.
Barry's tea, gold. I'll remember that tea forever.
Is that the one we've had in every single one of our things?
Yeah.
So, Mom, what are you making for us right now?
I'm making a pot of tea.
A cup of tea?
A cup of tea with 1 pack of sugar and 1 pack of milk.
I'm doing 2 things of sugar and 1 thing of milk.
We're turning into Irish English people.
We made it to Alejes. We found the blue house. It's not blue anymore, but it's the same house. It was getting dark by the time we found it, so we decided to come back and enjoy the sunset here. And we got some dinner at the pub just down the road. It was really cute, and the food was delicious. And this is probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. I almost don't want to tell anyone about it because I don't want it to get overrun. Yeah. So tomorrow we're going to do some more exploring here and on our way back to the main part of Ireland. And yeah. Good night.